Here is a sub 2-minute rundown of the app. I'm creating a new glaze recipe. I'm choosing manual entry for this. I'm entering all the relevant information for the recipe that I'm adding. I can choose a photo. Now to enter the glaze values, I'm copying it from an Excel sheet and I'm pasting it in the app. It automatically parses it for me. If the total is not 100, I can make it 100% as well. Now inside the glaze page, you will see all the technical information and you can share it with others, make it public. In the firing logs, you can see a list of all your firing data from the past. You can see individual firing data as well as you can compare the firing logs. Say for example, I want to compare the information from October 19th and October 22nd. I'm selecting those two firing logs and I'll hit compare. The app will show me the information side by side. Now let's go to blends. Blends are a great way to test new recipes. I'm choosing triaxial blend for the demo. You can do line blend and mix glazes as well. So in triaxial blend, I'm choosing an existing recipe, which is a dummy value. I'm choosing all the components of the recipe. Once I select all the components, I can hit the number of samples I want. After that, I'll fill in relevant information and I'll hit create test batch. Inside the test batch, I will see a total of all the test information and also the weights calculated for me. I can print it as. In settings, you can add your custom materials, your clay body information, and also your kiln data. If you notice any error in the app, if you notice any bugs, please email itsgrog@studiogreenkinky.in.